How can I avoid credit card debt? Question is actually the topmost reason why I am taking time to educate us about credit card, especially for new immigrants, is to avoid credit card debt. Hi guys, it's William here. Welcome back to my channel, Nigerian immigrant family living in Canada. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please do not forget to click on your subscribe button to subscribe to join our wonderful growing family. And do not forget to also click on your notification buttons so you can get notified when we upload our weekly videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you. I appreciate you all. All right, guys. So today I'm still talking about frequently asked questions about credit card. Remember in my last video, I answered 6 questions, and this video, I'll be answering the remaining 6 questions of frequently asked questions about credit card. My number 1 question for today is, what are foreign transaction fee? All right. So when using credit card, there's something called foreign transaction fee. So these are fees charged on your credit card for transaction made outside your home country, usually a percentage of your purchase. All right, guys. So anytime you go out of your country, so anytime you go out of your home country and you use your credit card, there is a fee that is being charged. It's called a foreign transaction fee. Okay, so you want to make sure that you inform your bank. Let's say, for example, you'll be traveling out of your home country. For those that are in Canada, let's say you're traveling to the US and you'll be using your credit card. Please endeavor to let your credit card company know. And if you don't know the percentage of the foreign transaction fee, you can also ask them the percentage so that you will know if you have to use the card or not. All right, so it's better for you to have those information before you go ahead to use your card outside your home country. Okay, so on to my next question for today. How can I avoid credit card debt? This question is actually the topmost reason why I am taking time to educate us about credit card, especially for new immigrants, is to avoid credit card debt. How can you avoid credit card debt? You can avoid credit card debt by spending within your means. Okay, you don't want to spend more than what you know you have available to pay. Spend within your means, make your payments in full if possible, and also monitor your transactions. So that's why I would advise you can have an online account with your credit card company, especially if they have one. It's advisable to sign up for one because that way you'll be able to monitor your transaction. You can easily log into your online account to monitor your transaction. You don't have to call the bank to ask them what transactions you have on your account. Okay, so to avoid credit card debt, spend within your means. Do not spend out of your budget. Make sure you're making your payments in full if possible. But if not, if you can't make it in full, make your payments once you have the money available and monitor your transactions regularly. Okay, my next question is, what is the difference between a secured card and an unsecured card? So a secure card actually requires a cash deposit as a collateral, while an unsecured card does not require that. So my next question here says, can I get a credit card if I have bad or no credit history? So example of those that might not have a credit history are those new immigrants, right? You just came into the country, you have not worked, you have not purchased anything, so those kind of people are people that does not have credit history. So this question is for you. If you would like to know that if you can actually get a credit card with no credit history, and for those that have bad credit history, yes, you can get a credit card. You can consider a secure card whereby you make the cash deposit as a collateral, or you can get a credit card designed for individual with limited or poor credits. All right, so that doesn't mean the credit card company is bad or the credit card you won't be able to use it. That only means because you don't have a credit history or because you have a bad credit history, you will be given like a certain amount. A new immigrant with no credit history, the amount they might give to you, on your credit card will be different with somebody that has a good credit history. Some credit card company might want to start you with a limits of $500. So that's what this basically means. It does not mean that your credit card is different from the other person's credit card. It only means that the credit limits will be limited. It will be low because you don't have a good credit history, or because you are new and you don't have credit history at all, like no credit history. So the bank might, or the credit card company might want to start you with $500. Some actually do start with $1,000. So it depends, right? So from there, if they see how your payment is, they might offer you a credit limit increase. Or you can request for a credit limit increase after 6 months, especially when you know you're making your payments, like you're paying your balance regularly. You can request for a higher credit limit after 6 months. So my next question says, why was my credit card application declined? Because there are some people, after they apply for a credit card, they might get declined, the application might get declined. Why there are some people that they actually get offer from the bank or a credit card company. But if you are this person that you did not get offer and you would like to get a credit card and you send in an application, but it got declined, this question is for you. So if you send in an application and it got declined, the reason is either your income is insufficient, because when you apply for a credit card, they ask you for your yearly income. Some banks or credit card company will ask for your annual income, and also some will ask for your household annual income. So if the income is low, is not up to what they accept, they might decline your application. And also, if you are underage, because I believe, if not all, I know of some that if you are not up to 16 years thereabouts, you won't be able to apply for a credit card. So if you are underage, your application might also be denied. And if you have low credit score, okay, let's say for example you had a credit card before and you misused the credit and all of that. I remember I made videos about that. It can actually reduce your credit score. So if you have a low credit score, your credit card application might be denied. And lastly, if you have high debt to income ratio. So let's say, for example, the debt that you have, what you're owing or what you have in debt is higher than your income. Your credit card application also might be denied. All right. So these are some reasons why I know that if you send in an application for a credit card, why it gets denied. These are some of the few reasons. Low credit score, it might be denied if you have a low credit score, if you are not up to the age for a credit card, if your income is low, and also if your debt is higher than your income. Okay. My last question here is, what is a cash advance? A cash advance allows you to take out cash from your card, but it often comes with a higher interest rate and fees than when you use your card for a regular purchase. I explained that also, but I'm still just going to explain it briefly. So when you have your credit card, right, you have money inside the credit card, and you need cash. You feel, okay, since I have my credit card and I need cash, I want to take money from my credit card, I'm going to pay later. Okay, so you're allowed to take out cash from your credit card. Mind you, there's also a limit for cash, right? So you can't just, let's say your credit limit is 1,000, you can't just go ahead to take out cash of $1,000. It doesn't work that way. So each credit card comes with a cash advance limit. You can call your bank to ask, or your credit card company to ask, what is your cash advance limit. They're going to give you that information. So when you go ahead to take out cash, either with the ATM or at the store, you take out cash. That is what is called cash advance, but it often comes with higher interest rates and fees. For those that are new here, I made a video. I explained what a cash advance is. I explained the interest, how the interest rate is being calculated, and why you should why you should make your full statement balance if you make a cash advance for that statement period, the reason why you should make your full statement balance. I made a video of that already. You can check my previous videos, okay? All right, so for today, this will be my last question for today. If you have any other question that I have not talked about, that I have not touched, you can ask, leave it in the comment section, and I'll gladly answer them. I believe that will be all for today. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed, you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. All right, guys, share the videos. I will see you all in my next video. Do stay well, stay safe, and bye for now. Bye bye. Thank you.